And Bridget, in addition to all of those storms that we're watching, we're also tracking some dangerous fire weather conditions in the plains. So this is that outlook for the remainder of today into the overnight hours, because we are watching an area of elevated to critical fire weather concerns for portions of Kansas stretching into the panhandle of Oklahoma and Texas. That area shaded in red, that's that critical zone from Guyman all the way down to the south of Lubbock. And then elsewhere, Carlsbad all the way over to Midland, Texas. That's that area of elevated concern, because we have all the ingredients for fires to spread very quickly. So fire weather warnings in effect again through this evening for much of the region. So Roswell all the way up to Pueblo, so even portions of the Rockies included in this, Dodge City, Kansas, and right along the Red River, because we do have a very dry air mass in place. And you couple that with strong winds and warm conditions, you have those dry fuels. Fires, they will spread very quickly, and this is right now. So here's our fire weather tracker. Those areas in the red pinpoints, those are those critical zones, and then severe elsewhere in the yellow. And this is what we're dealing with. So we have very dry conditions out there, dry fuels, and extreme drought conditions for portions of, let's say, southwest Oklahoma into the panhandle, even into New Mexico. That's that area of severe to extreme drought conditions. It gets a little bit better as we get closer to eastern Kansas and even just eastern Texas as well. But all in all, still very dry air. And here's those relative humidity values. Watch as they tumble throughout the day for tomorrow. So tomorrow's another day of concern for that fire weather. We are going to see the moisture slowly return to the area as we head into Wednesday. But at least for Tuesday, still watching an area of concern. So make sure you're not doing anything to spark a flame. Ian.
I'm Amy Freeze. Welcome to Fox Weather's YouTube page. We have more great videos on the way, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated on all things weather.